Hi, my name is Carl Jones,
And my name is TJ Walker.
and we're the founders of Cross Colors. When did we start our brand? This was in 1989. We showed our brand to a neighbor. She was a Macy's buyer. She was white. We showed her some pieces we had developed. She thought, I've never seen anything like this before. Well, my question was, would you wear it? Oh, sure.
And I think it's important too for people to kind of understand that at that time, there was no internet. Your future, your existence in the industry was dictated by the buyer. Going to someone like that in that position really helped us confirm that we were actually ready.
The one thing I would want people to know about the brand is that it was started by an African American. We started from scratch, from nowhere. Basically, I like to say, out of the trunk of our cars, so to speak.
Literally.
We worked very hard, and we still work hard.
We're most unapologetic about, our brand and our messaging.
We're most unapologetic about being Black people and presenting our Blackness, our culture, our music, our messages to the world. I mean, that was the whole reason behind the brand, is to represent a part of the culture, from models to color to positive words to style, from the streets, from our community, from our neighborhood.